photographers and also videographers. Is this the last real Jaguar that we're seeing? I actually could have run it as a convertible. That could have been an option.
That would have been great fun.
Yeah, maybe. Yeah, actually, I'm running external microphone now, so, or like additional lapel mic, so would have worked, especially with some wind noise protection. Anyway, we have Jaguar F-Type S, yes, with quad exhaust, V8, supercharger, right? With a bit more power than stock.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Just a remap on us.
Remap?
Yeah.
No big pulley, small pulley, that kind of
Nothing,
stuff.
Nothing. No.
Nice. And stickier tires. So we're running Cup 2s. Any different size than stock, or is it?
They're wider. They're the SVR sizes.
Oh,
Those
really?
are 305s.
Yeah.
Fronts are 2.6.
Wow. True, 6.5. Yeah. Orange stuff brake pads from EBC. Haven't heard of them before, but first time tried them. They are indeed orange, as you can see. It's not rust. They're actually orange. What rhymes on orange? Door hinge. Ask M&M. Random thought. But yeah, pretty cool car. We already driven the car, so yeah, I'm going to give you a teaser. Really love the emotion, the drivability, but with the combination of more power because it's running around 600 brake, you said?
Roughly,
yeah, roughly.
Not today, but...
Yeah, with the heat, but yeah, somewhere more than stock. With a lot of power comes lots of responsibility. Tires done, fantastic job. Brake pads could have been better, but not horrible. But the suspension had to work a lot with the combination of very sticky, big, meaty tires. So that was a bit unsettling the chassis, and I would say even disconnected between the road and whatever is happening inside the cabin, whether we speak about the steering wheel or the seat. Yeah, but other than that, if you fix that, suspension
should be alright.
Yeah, it's actually fun. Yeah, maybe additional cooling.
Definitely.
Yeah, so,
Definitely.
yeah. It was very nice. So thank you very much for making it happen. Thank you for hanging out as well. And yeah, you guys enjoy the lap. Right, we made it on the track. Let me double check that the mic is correct, because last time I think I unplugged it during putting the card back in my pocket before it goes with the car to the UK. That's happened multiple times. Okay, off we go. Modified 600 horsepower, very fast GT3 RS behind us. Woo. DSC off. We'll have the RS like the GT3 RS behind us. We're on Cup 2 tires, so it may not work too well with stock suspension. So let's see. Yeah, the car is moving quite a lot on the sidewalls and the shocks. A bit later on the brakes. Off we go. So, Jaguar. Is this the last real Jaguar that we're seeing, considering how they went, whatever they've done last year with their interesting marketing strategy and the upcoming hyper-revolutionary EV? I don't want to bash people for trying new things, but you cannot just like destroy the heritage you've built up over almost a century probably, or at least more than half a century, and all of a sudden call everyone old-fashioned and not cool. Woohoo! Some nice pictures for the photographers and also videographers. Yeah, this still a V8, which is quite remarkable because in today's environment you would expect it to be a 4-cylinder, which I did after remembering that Jaguar had, of course, V8s. They even made their whole marketing campaign around this car with saying, having all kinds of British villains speaking in a sinister way. Yeah. Speed is quite nice. I would say this is definitely pushing towards 600 horsepower. like I said, the main issue is like when you put the car on, pull on the brakes, and it's not that ideal. There is a GT3 RS behind us. I think it's another one. So let's go out of the way for faster boys, so you can proceed. Yeah. It would definitely be good to have different suspension on the car combined with stickier tires, because right now it's not ideal. There's lots of body movement, but you know, in terms of emotion, this roar from the V8 and the chassis rotation, it's quite good. Now off we go. The owner briefly mentioned he thinks that the car in this hot day like today is running down on power. We're also hearing some strong brake judder, so the brake discs don't like the extra power that you put on them with from the orange stuff brake pads. Warpy. Good grip. Really love the tire grip. So I guess we have just like additional cabin noise in form of the brake judder. Sad, but oh, he has a tow hook. What he has a sticker for a tow hook. I'm like, watch out, there is a tow hook. Don't reverse into me. La 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 la. Thank you. Everyone is so attentive today. Alright, I'm gonna be quiet for the next half. I want to like kind of focus on driving. Yeah, the soft suspension is definitely tricky, so where usually if you're confident with the setup you would take the allow the left flat. This with a gentle lift still involved lots of body rotation. Quite interesting traffic. Barchetta, Mustang with nice license plate. Another Mustang. The air conditioning stopped working. This means that the car is running quite hot, so it wants to preserve. He was indicating to the right, so he did what he intended to do, what he promised us to do. Take it easy with this one, because you could have used much more tarmac on the right, because now your corner entry is compromised, as well as the runoff area mud curb. Take it easy, going on the brakes, passing the Mini. What he is, very 2-liter TFSI Audi TT. La la la. It's nice to see his active spoiler. Thank you. Watch out for this. No, he's good. La 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 la. Some big beach here, so I guess some big crash happened earlier. Oh, look at his diffuser. That's nice. Wonder if it's functional. Charoudin. Looks like an airport rental, but too old for one, because the license plates combination is often used by rentals. Do we have a photographer? No photographer. Wipperman challenge sad. We'll just do something anyway. Yeah, so the bumpy sections is really a pain in the butt with stock suspension and semi-slicks, because there's a lot of grip but still too much movement between the chassis and the tire itself. So, oh well. Oh, it says engine overheating, so I guess let's take it easy. then the Audi TT can catch up as well. I don't know, am I in 8th gear or something now? Woo! We're just trying to carry as much momentum as possible through corners. No acceleration though, so. Yeah, engine is dropping. Fantastic. We are good to go. It's probably because of the climb and of course also modifying. We're entering the season where you do not see much in the evening sessions because the sun is getting. Here's my GoPro. Oh, it's almost detached itself. La 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 la. Also, I'd like to apologize for the dirty windshield, because as you can see, the track is closed because it's the last lap of the day. I had like 5 minutes to enter the track, and yeah, the sacrifices had to be made. Yeah, conclusion. Love the emotion. Brakes were actually okay. It's my first time running orange stuff. They were okay. Still not as grippy as certain pads could be, good alternatives, but definitely good that it's like no red stuff or yellow, because it has more bite, so it's good. Tires, of course, good, Cup 2s, but the fact that stock suspension it actually made a bit chassis more nervous because the shocks were constantly working. That's what they do, but with much more grip and the tire not moving but the chassis moving on the shocks, then it becomes a bit of a issue. So either different shocks if you're already having this kind of setup, or less grippier tires. Actually, seats were alright, so they offer good comfort, good stability, so I cannot say much there. And the noise from the exhaust was also good. Like, it's a good emotional car. I don't know how much they cost nowadays, because I haven't been monitoring Jaguar market, but I wouldn't expect too crazy much, because even when they were sold new, they were 50, 60 grand or so, I think. Don't, like, I might feel detached from the reality, but it's because I'm not a Jaguar guy. Like, I appreciate them, but I don't monitor them. So, based on the prices and performance you get, the question is, of course, reliability at the end of the day, but it's quite nice. Oh, Manta is there. I wonder what they're doing. What you doing? Doing lap records. So yeah, it might be a good bang for buck car, but you need to consider all the factors. But in terms of on-track performance, delivers. Emotion is there, performance is there. Just get slightly better pads, different suspension, and you can have fun if your engine does not overheat. So I'll give the car like 7.5 maybe. But when you solve the brakes and suspension, good 8.5. Yeah, definitely. Alright, hope you guys enjoyed.